Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, let us discuss about fourth data structure called hash of hashes. Hash of hashes means it has a list of hashes where each value inside the hash is a hash difference. For example, this is my hash of hash and it is having two keys and each value is a hash difference. You can also create this data structure by using a reference. By just using a dollar symbol, hash name and all the key value pairs have to get enclosed in curly braces. Now, to access this value called 5, you have to access this way. Just use dollar hash name and then give this key. Here key name is key 1. And then the value starts with a curly brace. Then you have to use an arrow symbol followed by the key name. Here it is Perl. Now to access using a reference, then just use dollar hash name. Our hash name starts with curly brace. Then you have to use an arrow symbol, then give the key name. Value starts with a curly brace. That means it is a hash difference. Now you have to give an arrow and then give the key Perl. This will give you the value. Now let us see a detailed example. In this program, I am going to explain on how to create and generate hash of hashes. This is a simple hash of hashes having two key value pairs and each value is a hash difference. Now let us print the key value pairs of this hash. To access the values, just give the hash name followed by the key name enclosed in curly braces. For loop in keys of this hash. Output is the keys names followed by the hash references. Now let us see on how to access the key value pairs inside these hash references which are there as values in the hash of hashes. For each on the keys of hashes, create a hash inside such that it stores the hash of the value. Store the value. That means it's storing the hash references which are there as values. For each on this hash now. On the keys of this hash, now print the key and value pairs. These are my key value pairs. Now let us see if this is a hash reference. If it is a hash reference, then it has to be enclosed in curly braces. To access the key value pairs, you have to dereference the hash reference. For this, use $. And to access each of the value, you have to make sure that you are using arrow mark as each hash reference starts with a curly brace. For each on this hash reference, for this you have to dereference it. Store each of the hash references. That means you have to use an arrow mark here. For each on this hash, and just try to print the key value pairs. This is how you can access the hash of hashes using hash reference. Now let us see on how to generate hash of hashes using a simple array. This is my simple array where it has some scalars which of kind technology names and other names are of some website names. I want to create my hash of hashes like this. The keys have to be skills and teams and the values has to be hash differences where I should have the string name as technology name followed by how many times it is repeated in this array. In the teams, the value has to be a hash difference and each key has to be the website name followed by the number of times it is repeated in this array. Now let us start writing the code. For this I am going to create a simple hash, a key and one string. For each on this array, just check for the technology names here, use a regular expression and I'm going to create a subroutine here called check keys and pass the key name, skills and the variable name. Else pass the key teams and the default variable. Now I'm trying to implement the subroutine. Catch the parameters which are passed here inside key and string scalars. Just use an exists function here and check for the key existence as well as the keys inside the hash reference. If both of them exist, then just increment the value. Else just create the key value pair. Now let's try to print our hash of hashes. This is my hash of hashes which I have generated from a simple array. Now let us see how to generate a hash of hashes using a reference. For that, I just need to change two things here. I have to give an arrow as I am generating a hash of hashes using a reference. And now just pass the hash. For this I have to change the percent with dollar. This is how I have generated a hash of hashes using a simple array using the reference.